What makes the perfect trip to Sri Lanka? We asked some locals for their point of view. Take advantage of the year-round climate and head to the beach. Feel the sun on your face and the sand beneath your feet. Run down to the ocean and let the warm waves wash over you. Relax and watch your troubles float away. If you're a morning person, rise with the sun and explore the city. Next, grab your camera. For a tour of temples built thousands of years ago. Alternatively, head to the wilderness. See mountains, the tea country, or discover the royal fortress for marvels built 50 centuries ago. If you're feeling curious, head deep into the jungle. Explore the mangroves, filled with characters. This island doesn't like to rush. Kick back, enjoy some fine dining, and take time to unwind. When you're feeling renewed, finish your day with friends and family. Relax in the afternoon heat. Or cool off in the pool. So you've met the locals and seen through their eyes. Now come, discover their home. So majestic, so wild. So, Sri Lanka.